And from when? 11th September 2024. Yes! So far, we have successfully run 20 batches of Basic Indian Sign Language course. Hearing students have thoroughly enjoyed, as they enjoyed learning deaf culture and can sign sentences and words in ISL. Sign language is important. It breaks barriers for the deaf and makes it easy for hearing people to communicate with the deaf. If you are interested to learn sign language and start applying, the 21st batch of ISL starts from the 11th September 2024. Suggest our ISL course to family members and relatives whom you have problems communicating with. Get enrolled now and have fun learning ISL. If you all dream of learning ISL, then what are you waiting for? Start applying right away. Here are the other details of the course.